I got an ice report for you, January the 4th, 2024 on Spruce Knob. You get a good idea here of what we're dealing with. We ain't got good ice. We got single digits tonight and Friday night, so the next 2 nights in a row. I'm not going to guarantee that we're going to have any good ice. There's about 1 inch to 2 inches, but it is soft. We'll better keep your fingers crossed, or we ain't going to have no ice this winter. Here's your ice report. You can see that. That's what you got. This is, I don't know, you have to correct me, 3rd, 4th, 5th of January 2024. So there's what you got for your ice. Spruce Knob Lake. And it's running pretty consistent. She was locked up a couple weeks ago pretty nice, almost 4 inches, but not now. That warm snap got it. About the same. Yep, won't be no getting on this ice for a while. Just kind of hoping to get some fishing done this weekend. This is getting a little harder. Yep, not here. A little thicker right here. Still not good enough to go out on though. It's still less than 2 inches and she's flexing. Bounce it. Yep, she needs a little more time. Yeah, it's supposed to get in the single digits tonight, and tomorrow night up here we'll see what happens. We've got that drawing. Will be Sunday evening for the diesel heater giveaway. That's your ice report, 2024, first part of January. I forget what the date is. This is first week of January. So there's your ice report. We'll see what happens. It's supposed to be cold the next couple nights. Thank y'all. Well, that concludes the ice report. Anybody goes out and tries to go ice fishing, please be safe. None of my reports, none of the Mountain State ice fishers, none of that. Don't just take my word for everything, folks. You need to know how to check the ice yourself. Use the proper equipment. If you're going to ice fish, get some ice fishing clothes with the flotation in it. That way there's no worries. If you go through, you're still floating. And always use your ice picks around your neck. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. We need lots of subscribers, so help support the channel. I'm going to try to go back up Saturday morning and see what the ice looks like. Need subscribers. Help support the channel. Running up there and checking this ice that's a good trip. That's a lot of fuel. So thank y'all.